All right, so I am in the workspace determining central and inscribed angles in circles. So I'm going to take you through a couple of these problems to help you get going with this workspace. So I have the given information is that the measure of angle CEM is 147.3 degrees. So CEM right here, this is a central angle because its vertex is at the center of the circle. So this is 147.3 degrees. And I am trying to find the measure of the arc CM. So arc CM, this arc here, right? And from my introductory video, we know that the measure of arc CM is going to be the exact same measure as its central angle. So that's going to be 147.3 degrees. Okay, and very simple right here, the reason we're using that central angle, so you can just type in central angle and it will accept that as a reason. So let's take a look at a couple more. All right, so this next one, once again, now I'm given the measure of the arc. So this arc, DJ is 111.4 degrees, and I want to now find its inscribed angle. So the intercepted arc is that DJ there. I want to find the measure of this angle, which is an inscribed angle. So our inscribed angles, if you recall from my video, are half the measure of the intercepted arc. So now I'm going to take half of that measure. And this actually does the work for you. So instead of using a calculator, you can just put 111.4 divided by 2. And so that 55.7 is half of that intercepted arc. Let me move this out of the way so you can see. And remember, inscribed angles are those that have vertexes on the circle. So that's degrees, and that is an inscribed angle. All right, let's see, we'll do one more. Okay, so now I have a central and an inscribed angle. So I can find actually the measure of a central angle on the same inscribed arc, and I can find the measure of that inscribed arc. So let's start with I'm sorry, that's an intercepted arc. I was calling it inscribed. Let's start with the intercepted arc. So this arc is going to be double the measure of that inscribed angle. So 72.05 times 2. So it's double that. And we're still in degrees. And that is just, let's try inscribed angle. That's our reason. Perfect. All right, and so now we have the measure of that central angle because that's the intercepted arc for that central angle. So that is also 144.1 degrees. And my reason there is that it is just a central angle. All right, so those example problems should help you be able to get through the rest of this workspace.